proposal ba?
Okay
Gling.
Oh.
What is your proposal?
Ano meron.
Hey, you explain.
Explain it. Oh.
Your proposal. You know, that is on the record.
Oh, record. Bukas, ugma, unsay masulti nimo para sa atong party nga ika-enjoy gyud nimo? Karon na time nga magsulti.
That time, you are enjoyment. That going to our gamings,
Yon.
but and everyone to our
Family. In our family.
we are
Rep-
give
Present participation.
Yeah, gusto rin ba? We are giving message. Everyone. Everyone. Giving message what happenings.
Toko. Yo, toko.
Okay.
Okay, good. Okay. Wow.